I've owned the Canon R8 for a considerable number of months now, and this camera has become really incredible for my use case, especially for photography. And that was mainly the reason for which I bought the Canon R8. I think that the R8 is a substantial camera that delivers across both photography and videography. And if I'm talking about why I think that if as someone that does graduation photography and shoots ceremonies, the Canon R8 is one of the best cameras that you can get out there. And for me, I think the reasons I'm going to spell out here makes the use case and working in the field quite intuitive and impressive. My name is Abek. If you like this video, can subscribe to the channel and let's roll. One of the first reasons for which I choose the Canon R8 to shoot graduation photos and for other ceremonies is because of its lightweight. It's extremely compact in size and very lightweight and minimal. Now, if you look at the Canon R8 as I'm showing over here, this has a grip at the bottom parts. So you can find that it has the EG grip over here, which extends the body of the Canon R8. And that is why even with mine, you can see that the body over here of the Canon R8 is a little bit bigger. But then if you look at just the body of the Canon R8 alone, it is extremely lightweight. It weighs roughly around 461 grams. And that makes it really compact stills camera and video camera that you can use to shoot all day long. You know, when you are shooting, let's say, for example, you are shooting people for their graduation ceremonies and all that. You know, sometimes you're going to location, changing dresses and all that, and also carrying props with you. This Canon R8, because of its size and compactness, would make the workflow easy and quicker. And having the compact size of the Canon R8 makes it impressive and incredible for shooting ceremony. One of the things that I think makes the Canon R8 incredible and amazing for shooting ceremonies, especially for graduation ceremony, has to do with the impressive 24 megapixel sensor that you're going to find over here. This sensor is really amazing, and with 24 megapixel, you might think it's too small in terms of the megapixel count, but that's not how you find with the Canon R8. It is extremely sharp. The sensor on the Canon R8 is sharp, it is vivid, and coupled with Canon's color science makes it ideally and dreamy for shooting graduation ceremonies. These are ceremonies or events in people's lives that usually comes once in a lifetime. And so when you are shooting, you want something that can deliver, a camera that can project and show the details or clarity of the skin textures and then the amazing colors that you're going to get out of this. But some people are going to print this out, now they're going to post and share with family. So using the Canon R8 as part of a workwear tools and photography equipment for shooting ceremonies like graduations and all that, I think made the Canon R8 really impressive and great. The 24 megapixel CMOS sensor on it is just really great. And also an amazing thing that I found with the Canon R8 is that you can choose to use a crop mode factor on it. And that's going to crop in to become like 1.6, just as we find with Canon's APS-C cameras. And so even if you have a lens like this, say for example, you have this 60mm that I have on this Canon R8 over here, and if you are using to shoot something like that, you can choose a crop mode on it, and the crop mode is going to give a multiple factor of 1.6 times the 60mm, and that's going to give you around like 28mm, and that's going to be really great or fantastic for shooting on the Canon R8. Another area that makes me to choose the Canon R8 to shoot this kind of ceremonies is the fact that the Canon R8 comes with a dual pixel fast autofocus performance that you're going to find over here. Now, the same impressive autofocus performance you find over here, you can find with the Canon R6 Mark II, which is currently recording this kind of video. And if you see, if you put it on it like this, it just shows and picks up your face and all that. It's also the same technology that you are going to find with the Canon R3. These are two bodies that are expensive than the Canon R8. So when you choose the Canon R8, it means that you are using a mini R6 Mark II, and that is going to give you impressive autofocus performance. Whether you are pairing with a 60mm, a 28mm, even if you pair with the STM lenses like what I have over here, you are still getting an amazing performance with the Canon R8. And for me, my go-to lens that I pair with the Canon R8 has to do with the 24-105, which is a versatile lens as an f4. So when you are shooting outdoors and shooting, for example, you are shooting portraits and all that, you're going to get creamy, bulky effect that you're going to get at the background. it's still able good enough to compress the background, move from wide to mid-tier wide to telephoto with the lens that you are placing on it, which is 24 to 105. And that gave me impressive performance out there in the field. And the pictures and images that I'm showing over here, they were shot with the Canon R8, and these were really incredible for the shot. Especially if you are doing creative shots with the Canon R8, the autofocus performance is going to be very, very tack sharp, focus on the eye, and precise, accurate without losing focus. The Canon R8 can handle it without any sweat or anything like that. And that is why I chose to use this Canon R8 to shoot this kind of event and scenario. It also has an articulated screen that you can find at the back. So in terms of you shooting with a Canon R8, let's say for example, you are shooting graduation and you have several people coming to your client and you are working with them. Now, what you're going to find is that sometimes you want creative shots. So with a back flip screen LCD that you find over here to get diverse creative shots and angles. And one thing that I realized from my shoots with this client was that I realized that I was able to get some kind of perspective and dimensionality to this kind of photos, and they held up well because of the autofocus performance. And they're using the back screen, it was also touch, and so you can use the back screen to quickly touch on the subject that you want to really track and all that. It is really impressive having this smaller body, compact in size, and using it to shoot this impressive amount of photo. You see, the thing I like about Canon is that straight out of the camera, even when you are shooting JPEG, the pictures coming out of it are really great. Canon has a computational analysis that gives this camera the ability to have good skin tones already out of the camera. And so you are having this kind of pleasure working with a camera that is giving you this kind of great shot out of the camera without you even necessarily editing them. So even if you are shooting in RAW, you have a lot of flexibility in terms of you color grading and refining the picture that you want. But if you shoot in JPEG, you're still getting impressive deliverable pictures that you can deliver to your clients even at that instant that you make those kind of shots. I also tried using this to shoot videos, and I realized that those videos were just really amazing. And with the videos, they came out really, really beautiful. I like that you have so many flexibility. You can shoot 4K up to 60 FPS without any crop. That is just really impressive and insane for this camera. There are a lot of cameras that are way expensive than a Canon R8, which have really impressive specs and all that. But to shoot videos at 4K 60 FPS without any crop, without any compromise, makes the reason for which I choose to use the Canon R8 to shoot important events like graduation with this Canon R8. I also shoot 1080p videos up to 120 FPS. Also, you can see 1080 videos up to 180 FPS, which is really battery smooth, especially if you're looking for cinematic experience. A lot of people would like to have short form content. There's the 9:16, which they can post on their stories, on their Instagram, on their social media handles and TikTok and all that. Using the Canon R8 to shoot is really great. The fact that the Canon R8 has no in-body image stabilization, IBIS, makes some people to think that the Canon R8 has a demerit. But that demerit is also another factor that the Canon R8, as a user, you can capitalize on it. Because when you use a lens that has stabilization in it, for example, what I pair it with, the 24 to 105, which is the USM lens, L lens, those lenses have image stabilization, and pair with this will give you great. Another advantage to that effect is that because it has no IBIS, you were able to get footage that do not have wobbles at the corners. The autofocus performance is great. You just have the subject tracking is just really amazing and impressive on this. It's also about the price. So if you're someone that is trying to shoot ceremonies and all that, I think this is a highly recommendation, especially if you're using that as a second body or using that main photographic body. This is delivering impressive results. A few things that I would want to recommend, especially if you are going to shoot ceremonies of this nature. These are lifetime events. They come once in a lifetime, and people have memories spelled and accustomed to this kind of events and ceremonies. So when you are taking pictures of this nature, make sure that with the Canon R8 it has smaller battery, the E17 batteries that you find with Canon, which are extremely small in size. And you can get third-party batteries from Canon, which are relatively cheap. So at least get a few number of batteries in addition to it. Every time that I was booked, either for a day or for some hours or anything like that, I did not need to change the battery. I think that the Canon R8 using to shoot events and using to shoot ceremonies is really fantastic. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel. Other videos of the Canon R8 that I've done in terms of the review of it, and also how to attach this grip to the Canon R8, which you can find in the description or on the channel to watch as well. My name is Obekwe and I'm going to see you in the next video. Peace out.